Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the stylish and most demanding Wreath designs are available. Hope you like the video till the end. If you have any problem then ask me in comment box. Watch my video to like my video and to share my video. Happy Easter 2022. Best collection, best selection for my viewers. Beautiful and amazing style, beautiful and amazing colors, beautiful and amazing shades, amazing ideas for the Easter celebration. Thank you so much guys to watch my video, and if you have any problem then ask me in comment box. I try my best watch to you the bestest collection related to the Easter, related to the ideas, and amazing collection are available. So please support to Easy Craft videos that provide you the outstanding and most amazing designs of the happy Easter, happy decoration ideas. So keep watching my channel and outstanding keep watching on daily basis. Happy Easter 2022.